When Judge Pat Murdaugh was accused of raping a prostitute who had videotaped one of their encounters, it cost him his job and his reputation.
Today, the DA handling the case decided there wasn't enough to go on and threw it out. News 13's Alex Goldsmith spoke to Murdaugh's attorney tonight. Alex?
Jessica, Dick, Murdaugh's attorney tells me APD should never have pursued this case and that the DA's decision proves it.
We stand by Judge Murdaugh as an innocent man, wrongly accused, and he's vindicated today.
Pat Murdaugh's defense team claimed victory today, 3 years after APD arrested the prominent district court judge. The case against Murdaugh, the former chief criminal judge with 26 years on the bench, centered on a DVD a prostitute sold to APD vice detectives for $400 in July 2011. According to a criminal complaint, Renee Padilla told police Murdaugh performed oral sex on her against her will on 2 occasions at his home, one of which she secretly recorded. APD arrested Murdaugh on rape and witness intimidation charges. The Santa Fe County DA took the case because of Murdaugh's standing in Albuquerque. She dismissed the charges a month later, so APD would have the time to build a better case.
We want the police, to continue with the investigation, and based on their investigation, we'll make a decision as to what charges we'll go forward on.
And today, Pacheco tells News 13 her office won't prosecute Murdaugh, saying the evidence wasn't strong enough.
I think the case in and of itself should never have been pursued. We knew that the prosecutors did not have a case they could pursue in good faith.
Murdaugh's attorney tells News 13 he'll sit down with Murdaugh to look at a possible civil lawsuit against APD. Murdaugh retired from the bench a week after the arrest and agreed never to be a judge again. His attorney doesn't expect Murdaugh to appeal that decision.
He just basically probably wants to move on with his life.
We wanted to ask the DA about what specifically was lacking in the case. We couldn't reach her. Back to you.
Okay, Alex, we asked the city about the DA's comments on the lack of evidence against Murdaugh. A spokesperson would only say that APD stands behind its case.